4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh,
Oh, Assassin gets a very mid launch, and Cat is already.
Yeah, I had someone
He made the
go
move.
before you and said go.
Why is there zero lag? This is impressive.
I think-
get
It is
rammed.
all. Oh.
I think Colm might have jumped the start though.
Come
I
on.
definitely didn't. I had that
Oh,
recording.
Robo Boy.
I am looking
Now
into
drop the third.
I heard an engine start up way before go.
So,
But take it easy, take it easy.
Oh, I broke way too early there.
I know.
Really, mate.
Are you in P2, Ewok?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll see you later then.
no. Ewok, you need to win this. For Assassin. I'm kidding. You don't have to.
Oh, Robo kind of dipped it, but he's doing alright.
Okay.
Speed up a bit if you're gonna try and win.
Yeah.
I don't
I've already
feel like.
crashed into your bumper multiple times.
I'm expecting Cat to lead. Yes, he is. And then Ewok second. With Assassin in third, Roboboy fourth.
So I'm
Is that
fifth
third,
then.
fifth? Yeah,
That's
good
actually
fifth.
alright.
Nice.
Where are the next few cars?
Yeah, Robo Boy's a need.
Hank 7th. Or 6th, I mean, sorry. Lord 7th.
What are these lines, Communist Cat? You just took me out.
It's my least favorite track, shush.
IH 8th,
Half it's a retard.
Corvette 9th, and then Kitty 10th.
Kid in PTN.
Starting at 2. So far,
Oh fuck.
the top 4 are really close, especially the top 3 though, but Roboboy is catching up again.
May have made a car mistake on this one.
Trying to brake on the straights.
Oh shit, go, yeah.
Ewok, just go faster, go overtake him.
Oh no.
So,
Fuck these cars, man.
this book made a mistake and lost position, is that what's up?
No, I haven't. I'm still fit. I'm in a safe fifth right now. It's like a gap.
There's Cat still in the lead with Ewok.
Yeah.
Oh, Ewok's crashed!
Shit.
Ewok crashed!
Oh
Ow.
shit.
Oh, it has been
Oh.
Oh move.
clear lead right now.
Okay, that was
From
alright.
that would be Ewok in second, right? When he
Come on,
crashed.
Robo, you
Yeah,
can do
yeah,
this, bro.
it's
Come on.
Bro.
Ewok second.
Now drop that.
Roboboy up to third.
What is this?
Book fourth. Assassin fifth.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was
Assassin, you can
hoping
do
I
this,
wasn't.
bro. Come
I wasn't
on.
my intentions to block you there, Assassin.
It's fine.
But I was kind of just the way I crashed.
And Hank is still
Oh, that's kind of all great.
sixth with course.
How many laps
Seven.
again?
IH.
21, I think.
21.
Okay.
Yeah, 21.
This is
The
lap.
two at the back are rare. So Corvette 9th and KTP 10. Oh, and my ult just disconnected, but okay.
What's the Nell?
Whoa!
Oh shit, no, Robo. Okay, I'm in third now. I got the podium. A little bit.
Yeah, I was ahead of you the whole time on my screen, Roboboy. I
Yeah,
knew you were
no.
there.
I'm like second now, right?
Same.
Oh shit, sorry, Assassin. That. I'm just gonna
I'm
focus
gaining a
now.
bit of ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
you are.
crashed into a pole.
There's So who's gonna be in second? Is that
Still me.
Ewok still? Book up the third, Assassin fourth, Roboboy fifth.
Oh shit.
The top 5 are swapping places, and there's Hank. He's catching up.
Oh, I hate you, monkey.
As IH made the position on Lords.
He pushed me.
And he's made the pistol. Okay.
Oh shit.
And there's swords.
Assassin.
My lag is kind of bad right now. What is going on? Is that Kitty P9? The Corvette hasn't crossed the line yet. There he
Oh
is.
no! Ah, assassin! I'm sorry, mate. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm down to
Rubble put me
5th,
a
as I
bit.
expected. My podium never lasts. Sorry there, by the way.
Kitty Crew's on a 1 to 3 right now.
What?
Well, Hank has gone through.
Robo took.
Hey,
Robo took.
Can't
Last
in
time
the
I checked, I'm still in second, so.
lead.
Round
Yeah.
Robo's tail.
What,
There's
is physical
you,
tail?
He's made a mistake.
Roboboy 3rd, Assassin 4th. Book 5th.
Yeah, I'm doing mid as always. Taking L's.
And there's Hank crossing the line now. And I think IH is actually catching up as well now.
Who's 6th again?
Hank is the
Oh.
car behind you.
No,
I'm pretty sure Kitty's catching Lords now.
Roboboy's gone through.
So there's Lords crossing the line
Take it
now.
from here.
He's lost a ton of ground there on that one
Who's in
lap.
Uh,
third then?
Robo-
Oh, who's in fourth even?
I mean, I'm on third on my screen, so something's gonna go wrong.
Well, I'm on 3rd on my screen.
I'm actually in like 7th.
Are you still in third on your screen?
What
Shit.
the? Oh shit!
And there's
Fourth.
Corvette crossing the line now. Lap
I got a
5.
bit of a crash.
No, Roboboy. Why are the Kitty Crew drivers so slow when I'm with them, but then they can escape?
I don't know. I guess that's the tactic.
Silent
What do I
boosting,
know? I'm not
nice.
even
Actually
in the scene.
is, you know. I don't want to spoil all of the.
Yeah, using boosts, that'll be it.
Shit.
Nah.
Yeah,
I got
boost is
spun out.
silent in this map.
Yeah,
Robo
other people
Boy.
can hear it actually.
Ewok
Yeah,
3rd.
not when they're far away.
Book
You want me to
4th.
sit next to you and boost so you can hear it?
I got taken out by Book.
But I'm
sorry,
saying you're
mate,
boosting when I'm
sorry.
not here. That's what I'm saying.
I'm just saying I'm recording the stories,
Fine.
you know. If you would like to review the recording afterwards.
How did Lords get through?
I'd love to,
No, I flew
especially the
off the map.
start.
Literally, I
Okay.
missed the hat. I need to let him pass.
Fuck,
I don't know
better
why.
make it back.
How you didn't leave? You didn't give IH his
No,
position
no, I
back.
know. I'm waiting for him right here. Don't worry, I'm not gonna cut. I'm not cheating. Don't.
How many races have you been disqualified from?
3 actually.
How many did you have from?
All-time, about 50.
All-time disqualification is a lot more
All-time,
than 3.
all-time is like 4.
No, I mean you've been disqualified from 3 championship races by me. So
Yeah, and then 1 from comms.
And one from me.
Yeah, one-
White car, I'm approaching within 3 seconds. Can you please
That-
blue flag?
That's
Probably
Corvette. Yeah, that's Corvette.
Thank you, Corvette.
Well, be the first one. That's what.
I binned it. I binned it too bad.
Okay. Is he coming around? This cat's coming.
Oh,
There's
shit, I
cat.
can barely see now.
Oh, it's all
And is
Oh, but stay
Corvette
to the
gonna be-
left. Stay to the left.
Okay, Corvette has to
Stay
be
to the
fighting
left.
both Roboboy and Ewok.
got punted. Shit.
oh,
But
spun.
fourth,
I got punted
Ah.
by by Book.
Hank.
Oh, it's
Sorry,
fine.
Assassin. I'm sorry.
I made that mistake in practice.
Mm.
Yeah.
Hank has lost 1 position though throughout the race.
No, Corvette.
Oh god. Oh, Corvette.
Here is
Corvette.
IH 7.
Blue flag. Blue.
Lord
Corvette.
right behind.
Corvette.
you.
Corvette. Yeah, thank you. Jeez, that was close. Damn. Oh, whoops.
Where is Kitty?
In your cage.
Oh,
Um,
not Roboboy. What do you?
Oh fuck, that was so damn close. Is Assassin right behind me now? Or is it Corvette?
Yes. Assassin was right behind you crossing the line. I would assume he is still the car behind you.
Yeah, still.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Kitty 9.
Call me, I'm catching up to you.
I know these curves are dead.
Ah.
Wait, what?
Oh no! Oh shit!
Mailbox.
What?
One mailbox.
Yeah, assassinate
repair.
There's
position on me.
Tom. Starting lap 8.
Out of
21. And there is Robo Boy. And that should be Evo coming
I'm
around.
getting severe FPS drops and my screen's freezing, so that's why I'm losing a ton of ground.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
Monroe.
Assassin 4th, Book 5th. And then Hank 6th still.
I think I'm catching up to Ewok.
Yeah. You are ever so slightly. Is Corvette there? Yes, there.
Damn, Assassin! You just lagged and just froze.
IH.
Assassin just kind of freezing and
Corvette, you have to blue
stopping.
flag for IH very soon.
Oh,
And there's
jeez.
Oris crossing the line now.
Oh, did I? Sorry.
No, you didn't take me out. I managed to avoid. This is cool.
Yeah, it's the lag spikes.
Yeah, sucks.
There's a lot of them here, apparently.
Because it's too detailed.
Yeah, that's the real shame.
And that should be Kitty coming around the final corner now. Any second. Yes. So far, Corvette is the only car left, but Kitty's gonna get lapped soon. And there's Com, starting lap 9, and then Roboboy right behind, catching very quickly. There's Ewok, and us. Corvette blue flag. Hold up.
You're not there, you idiot. Oh god, he stopped literally in the middle of the road.
Yeah,
Still
me and
ahead.
Riverboy had to go opposite ways round him.
Yeah. He
Oh.
literally move off the racing line. If you know what that is. I mean, that kind of helped me because I've sort of caught up to IH.
IAH coming around the final corner now.
How many races are here?
10.
Okay, confirmed points.
Lord's 8.
What do you know what the gap is?
I can time it next lap. Corvette. Coming on there.
Brooks had a really good race today.
Surprisingly.
Has Kitty been lapped yet?
Almost.
And there's Kitty. Crossing the line now. Tom is still ahead.
Kitty, you blue flag, please, shortly.
Yeah. From both cars, both Cat and Roboboy.
Thank you.
There's Ewok. Still ahead of Assassin, who's
Oh shit,
Actually-
no! Fuck's sake. Fuck these mailboxes.
Are you stuck in the mailbox?
Oh no, I just lost position.
Hank-
Well,
5th, book 6.
see, I told you I'm unlucky. Told you.
It's fine. 7th is so far behind, so you don't need to worry.
And whatever. Fuck me dead, this fucking boss.
I'll find it after B7.
There's IH crossing the line now.
Is that the gap?
Issy. Thanks.
I'm timing the gap.
Thank you very much.
It's a 8-second gap.
Oh, what am I? Oop. Made a bit of a mistake.
There's Corvette.
Oh, IH cut. IAH cut. I got that on
Did you
video.
Okay. And there's Cat.
Ultra, basic ultra. You know the hairpin where you go into that.
Oh, boy,
straight, you just
second.
cut the entire thing.
Just send me the video after the race.
I saw on the map.
Ewok third. Assassin fourth. There's Kitty ninth. Hank fifth. Kitty, you have to blue flag for Hank. Very shortly.
Forgetting someone.
There's Book. But Book, you're kind of further behind.
We did it again. Look how much. Oh, look at the gap now. Look, time the gap now. Look how big it is.
I'm looking. Yeah, I can see.
It's 8 seconds, and I've made no mistakes this lap at all.
Oh, I have for sure.
IAH, do the track properly.
I mean, he's gonna get a penalty anyway. So.
It's Corvette again. Ah,
Yeah.
Corvette!
Gap now. Look at it.
I didn't time it though. I can time it next time.
I lost
It's
position.
It's massive. You know it. You just know it is.
You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna need Corvette on the main straight.
Okay, there is. Going counts.
I'm through. That was perfect coming up to Corvette.
Yeah, Corvette. Assassin as well. You have to blue flag for. And there's Hank in fifth.
Yeah, I'm closing in on both of them. I've crashed a few times, but I think I'm definitely driving faster when I'm not
It's
crashing.
ninth. There's Buck in sixth.
Doing horrible.
Not that bad.
I could have been better.
I'm timing the gap for IH now and Lord, so IH 7 crossing the line now, yeah.
Is
Lord has crashed, I think, so the gap will be a bit bigger.
Maybe.
The gap is 23 seconds.
It was 8 seconds 2 laps ago. It's not possible.
I'll have to look into it.
Maybe he just
Um,
doesn't know the track.
No, he does it sometimes properly, and other times he just doesn't do it properly.
Never mind that.
Oh no, he's done this. He's done
Lap
this.
No, I'm agreeing
13.
with you. I'm agreeing with you.
He's done this championship at your championship, as at yours before. He's done this race
Lap
at yours.
13 out of 21. Roboboy is still leading, Cat second, and Ewok third, so that's the top three. And Corvette, you have to blue flag for Hank. Into turn 1.
Yes, Kitty. Has she been blue? Has she
Corvette,
been
take him out. I'm joking.
Sixth Book. There's Kitty. Crossing the line now in 9th. Someone has had an accident. IHS. Cross the line now.
He's in this blood.
Oops, my thing is.
Words has to blue flag soon for Roboboy, I would assume.
Yeah.
Me.
Positions have yeah.
No, don't move.
That's fine.
Lords,
Yeah.
can you blue flag, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
Roboboy first. On second. Lord's 8th. Ewok third. Lord, you have to blue flag for Ewok as well. In turn 1, and let's see if he's
Yeah, he's already done it. Thanks.
okay. You have to blue flag for Assassin suit as well. Hank has fallen massively behind the forefront runners. I don't know if he got stuck behind Corvette. But Book is catching.
Lords may need a blue flag.
Yeah, Lords.
Thanks.
And there's Kitty. Kitty's almost lapping Corvette. She's the car.
Has Kitty ever lapped someone before?
I don't think so.
Oh, she lapped me once in an intermuse race when I was of the
You did
elemental.
Ayuk?
Oh, the Cess Tower.
You're in my way, yeah.
Yeah.
I crashed into you.
And
Sorry.
there's IEH.
Is that Corvette in front of me? Because he's gonna
Yeah.
need a blue flag.
Yeah, Corvette blue flag for Book.
Not like that, but thanks.
Wait, you
Oh.
crashed up the calm.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ewok has been slowly catching up to
I got
them.
stuck on the wall.
Oh,
There's Roboboy crossing the line out to start lap 15.
Shit.
Ewok is stuck behind him.
No, I crashed.
Oh, a cat second. Would that be Assassin third? Oh, there's a fight for the blue lobs. Assassin is barely ahead.
Yeah, he's ahead.
And there's Lords in 8.
What's does P9 get?
What?
How many points does P9 get?
2. But you're not in P9.
Yeah, no, P
8.
7.
6.
Yeah. And there's Buckins catching up to Hank.
Oh, no, even.
There's Corvette. And there's Kitty. Almost. Okay. Oh. There's IEH. Gap's still pretty much the same between him and Book. Not changed. And there's Roboboy, almost laughing. And there's Cat in second. Both of
Oh,
them
I'm having too many
on lap
mistakes.
16. Assassin third. Was that you, Walk? I can
No.
see. That was
Yeah.
Assassin.
This is me.
That's you. And there's Lords in 8. And Hank is now catching back up to Ewok and Assassin. And Book has lost a little bit of ground, but he's,
Oh, I have indeed.
yeah, 6th.
Slut.
You're on lap 16 out of 21. There's Kitty. She's lapped Corvette.
Impressive.
That's, oh, that's,
Hey, Corvette.
Corvette is about
Thank
to be
you.
lapped for a third time. IH. There. Where is Roboboy? There he is. You were closer to IH last lap. There's so. And there's Assassin. And then Corvette, and well, 3 laps down. Then should be Hank, yeah, that's Hank. And then Lord's coming around the final corner.
No, Corvette, move. Sorry. Oh, shit, sorry.
It's Lords and Book should be coming on. There's Book. So Lord's Book is almost lapping you.
what the fuck are they doing?
Sorry?
INH, dickhead. It's just not fair. It's just not fair.
Why do I always crash out when I lap
There's
someone?
Kitty.
Ow. Trying to make the move.
Yeah, just go for it.
IH is almost lapping.
Oh my
IH,
God.
You have to blue flag for Roboboy pretty soon.
I'm crashing so much.
Yeah, this is not good. Good for you. A cat second. Assassin third. He's catching.
Assassin just fell behind. What do you mean he's catching?
I
No.
tried to
He's
overtake.
way further back than he was last lap.
No.
He
What?
was, because I'm looking at my mini-map.
He's right up with you.
He's not. What?
What lap are you on?
Leader's on lap 18.
I don't think.
Yeah. There's Hank.
Fuck's sake, these mailboxes are actually pissing me off.
IH, you need to blue flag at the refinery.
Okay, IH blue flag.
Thank you.
There's
This
Roy.
track just fucking sucks.
Ultra, I know, I'll blue flag.
Yeah.
But where do you want to do it?
I don't mind anywhere.
I do not want to hold drop at any cost. Or late cost.
Let's do a random turn, I don't fucking care.
No.
Alright, when we go to that street, then you can. Which is now.
There's Kitty.
One left.
9. And there's Robo Boy. During lap 19.
Whoops.
Oops.
No, it's
There's
just fine.
IH. Now currently. There's Cats. IH, you might have to blue flag the cat soon. There's Assassin.
Thank you.
I'm catching up to Robo.
Yeah, this back Marcus.
Ewok is kind of alone right now.
Oh,
No,
for
I don't
fuck's
see-
sake.
I don't see Hank catching up.
Oops.
I'm sorry.
I think as
This
Hank
track
had an
generally
accident.
sucks. I hate this track.
There's Hank. Is that's Corvette?
Of course, gonna need to blue flag.
Yeah, beast.
Wherever.
He's crossed the line quite a while ago. Is that Book in front of you?
Yeah, that's me.
And then
Doing
Lord.
it.
Oh my god, my car's so slow.
That's Corvette again.
Yeah.
Love it, blue flag.
Corvette blue flag for the two cars behind you.
Not in the middle of the road this time, please.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So that's Robo by starting penultimate lap.
Hey, Kitty. Thank you. And, oh yeah, can you blue flag, please?
Is he blue flagging?
No.
IH blue. Can you blue flag for the two cars behind you? Cat and Assassin.
IH, these blue flag.
Whoa, he just swerved onto the racing line. Get out the way.
Ow!
He
No.
completely failed to blue flag. I had to take him out. Like,
Okay, now we blue
Okay.
flagged.
that's because I took him out again.
Okay. That
Is
will
he
be a
on
penalty
VC?
for that. He is.
Why is he not listening?
I don't know.
And he's gonna get
How many laps remaining?
Leaders are on their penultimate lap.
did he clip
Should have said that then.
I said that. I already announced.
Com,
I know.
He did say.
Com, did you clip him
There's Book.
killing you?
Oh my god,
shit.
Assassin, that was the worst move you could have ever done.
Sorry.
Assassin.
Ida, can you please blue flag?
IH blue flag.
Why are you so quiet?
That's the second time Assassin's done a move like that, where he's just not braked into a corner just to take me out and take position. Aya, blue flag!
A Roboboy final lap.
Yeah, why
Does
is he
he-
not blue flag, Jack?
He isn't blue flagging at all. He
No,
is
just-
still in
Are
my
you
way.
serious?
That's just
I
not
have
fair.
blue flag right now.
Oh my god.
IH blue flag is
Can
instant.
IH blue flag right now, or he will be.
No, Ultra, this is just not fair.
I know. He will get a penalty.
A disqualify.
And then
You've asked him 4 times. Has he not blue
He's-
flag?
yeah, he has blue flag now.
Plus
About
at least
time.
10 seconds now.
Okay, thank you, Kitty.
Where's Kitty?
She's in 9th.
No, it's like where on the track?
She was
Flag, you
just
need the
crossing.
flag.
Who has to be flag?
Corvette.
Again.
Yeah, thank you.
You've so much to the lead, you might as well just stay behind. Just not risk dying.
Oh, I have a migraine now. This is perfect. How many laps remaining?
You're on your final lap once you cross the line.
Oh,
The book final lap.
oh, this headache's actually starting to kill me now. I actually can't.
And there's Loris.
I'm starting my final lap.
Roboboy wins.
Good job, Robo.
So once you cross the line, that's so Corvette, your race is finished. Corvette 10. Assassin
He's not
second,
ready.
but we'll have to watch the incident.
Oh,
So Assassin
Oh,
second,
ow.
Cap third,
Migraine.
I think
Ewok
I
fourth.
could be getting a penalty on this one, but
Because migraines
I
are too much.
dive
Don't race
bombed him.
next race.
Yeah, I'll have to get the videos. I
Oh, jeez,
for
jeez,
now,
I was
jeez.
upset.
and
Well, is he
then
gonna get a place drop?
hold up. He's gonna get penalties. Yeah,
So basically, I'm pretty P6.